Welcome to Maya Biotech Private Limited, a hub of innovation and excellence in pharmaceutical manufacturing. Nestled in the picturesque landscapes of Himachal Pradesh, this location enhances our focus on maintaining the highest standards in medicine production. Over the years, we have grown into a prominent force in the industry, driven by our unwavering commitment to quality and progress. Our business divisions span contract, third-party manufacturing, a robust ethical division, and pharma franchising. Innovation is central to our mission, reflected in our research and development division. Maya Biotech Private Limited.